Today we're unboxing the Seiko Astron HAB005J1, part of Seiko's exclusive 145th Anniversary Limited Edition collection. The textured dial catches the light beautifully, giving the watch a premium and distinctive look. Limited to just 1,200 pieces worldwide, this is number 675. The titanium bracelet features Seiko's smart micro-adjustment clasp, allowing you to fine-tune the fit with ease. One of my favorite features is the quick release system, making it incredibly easy to swap between the titanium bracelet and the rubber strap. And here it is next to the other new Seiko Astron models, showcasing Seiko's latest Astron collection. And when the LumiBright lights up, the hands and indexes remain exceptionally clear, even in complete darkness. Would you add this Seiko Astron to your collection? Let me know in the comments below.